one thing you gotta watch out for, that kind of stuff.
Yeah, the stuff that'll fall.
The widow makers.
Uh-huh.
There's been a lot of them falling down lately.
Yep.
I remembered how to tie the knot.
That's a huge tree.
Yeah, it's pretty good size.
When we moved in, just the lower limb over there was still green.
Ain't got enough limbs on it.
Donkey, are you being naughty? You're being naughty, Donk. That's no. What's in there? Oh, there's orange peels. No, no.
All right, guys, so that's the story of taking down our first gigantic pine tree. I want to give a big shout out and thank you to our new neighbor and friend, Randy, for teaching me how to take down something like that. He's been really helpful around and teaching me how to take down some pretty large trees. So I think I've got the hang of it now and doing some on my own now. But you can see behind me, got what's left of the bucking limbs and trimming all that up, all stacked up. And over here you can see the stump. I think we're going to leave that for now until we decide what to do with it. And I'm going to take you upstairs behind the barn door up there and show you what's left of this guy and what's going on with it. All right, so you can see this is the main part of the trunk. Randy was super helpful. He got cut up into big chunks. My Yanmar T235, you know, if you double one of these, tractor just too much weight for it. Couldn't lift it, couldn't do much with it. So I cut all those chunks that he's broke up, basically cut all those in half again to make them light enough for the tractor to pick up, and moved all these up here. So we'll split these for firewood or find other uses for them. But that was a big tree. Let me show you what these stumps look like. So I haven't counted the rings on this to find out how old this tree was, and my stumps are not exactly in the order they came down, but this piece right here, that's where we created the hinge in it, and the part it fell from. So, but these are huge, huge chunks. I have no idea how much they weigh, but some of these big ones, like these guys right here, probably 300, 400, 500 pounds. I don't know, but they are super heavy. So some of the lighter ones were easier to move, but those couple right there and this from the base, these guys from the base, they were super heavy. But I'll count the rings on that one and see if I can tell approximately how old that tree was. All right, so you can see here I started using the log splitter to split some of these bigger pieces, and still got a trailer load here from that tree to get split. Some few pieces back here as well are just oddball pieces, so I need to get those dealt with. But that tree is down and taken care of. For now, we appreciate you guys watching the video. If you have questions or anything, leave those in the comments below. Hope you will like and subscribe to our videos, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye. So P.S. counting the rings on this big piece right here, as best I can tell, this tree was between 46 and 50 years old, but my best guess is I've got 46 rings, not including, however, this outer bark develops. But basically, that was an old tree. So we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.